In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable two-factor authentication on CoinMarketCap. This guide is perfect for those moments when you need to adjust your account settings quickly and safely. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the CoinMarketCap website. Once you're on the home page, look toward the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll see a profile icon. Clicking on this profile icon will open a drop-down menu displaying various options related to your account. From the drop-down menu, the next step is to select Settings. This will navigate you to a new page where you can manage different aspects of your CoinMarketCap account. Within this section, you can change your account details, privacy settings, and most importantly for this tutorial, your security preferences. Now that you're in the Settings menu, the third step is to click on Account Security. This is a crucial area where you manage the security features associated with your CoinMarketCap account. It's always a good idea to get familiar with this section as it contains options to help keep your account safe. Here in Account Security, you'll find a section dedicated to two-factor authentication, commonly abbreviated as 2FA. For those who might not know, 2FA is a security process in which the user provides two different authentication factors to verify themselves. It adds an extra layer of security to your account on top of just a password. But for now, we're focusing on how to disable it. Navigate to the 2FA section where you will see the option to remove it. Click on Remove. You'll likely see a prompt or confirmation message to ensure that you really want to proceed with disabling this security feature. Finally, after you've clicked on Remove, you'll need to confirm your decision by clicking on Confirm. This final step will deactivate the two-factor authentication from your account. Make sure you're comfortable with this decision, as it will reduce the security level of your account. It's always worth considering why you're disabling 2FA. If security is a concern, but you need to turn it off temporarily, make sure to reactivate it as soon as possible. And that's it. You've successfully disabled 2FA on your CoinMarketCap account. Remember, even though disabling 2FA makes logging into your account more straightforward, it's essential to ensure that your account remains secure with a strong password and by monitoring it for any unusual activity. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.